Hey everybody, Leigh Goldstein here for 10-Minute Trades. I want to show you this week's Members Trade of the Week, but it's really special this week. We had a fantastic trading week in the trade room, and this is also a weekly wrap-up. We started the week by getting up at 3 in the morning for the French and German flash manufacturing trades. Our French trade lost money, which is okay. Trades sometimes don't work. And then we came in to trade Germany. It's a 3:30 in the morning trade. You know the deal. Our software puts the orders on the chart, and then the price exploded up. And when the trade was over, we had more profit than we had of a loss. 2 trades, 3 in the morning. We were up over $100. Absolutely worth getting up. Members made money. If you have a losing trade, you keep going. Trade your plan. Our plan was to trade both. We had a winning trade. It overcame the loser. Great way to start the week. French and German flash manufacturing. Started with a profit. This is Members Trade of the Week, and one of our members, Langford, had a screenshot of $150 on the German manufacturing. New home sales was another profitable event in the trade room. X is on the chart, trading in our Top Step account. Price goes up, explodes, a very fast over $200 profit, a nice winner, trading gold on new home sales. Now, I don't have to tell all of you who get our emails and our videos, it's earnings season, and Tesla was up next. Although for full transparency, we did lose money on Netflix. So actually our first big earnings trade was Netflix, and we took a hit on it. And then we had Tesla. You know the routine. We talk about it all the time. There go the orders. The price explodes. I was up over $500 in the room that day after Tesla, but Tesla was a $220 profit. A great way to finish an early Tuesday in the trade room. We also had 2 more profitable trades. We traded GDP and flash manufacturing, and almost everyone that traded made money on those trades. And then we got to Meta. Meta has been a very profitable earnings trade for us for a long time. We've been trading and studying their earnings for 5 years. You know the deal. The orders go on the chart. The orders sat on the chart for a long 7 seconds. The price exploded to the downside as the earnings were rather poor. When that trade was over, we had a $1,600 profit. But it's not about us. I'm not making this video to show you our profits. I want to show you the profits of our members. One of our members traded micros on Meta and netted $422. That is a lot of money for trading micros. Sal, a relatively new member, again, he also traded micros, $134 in profits on Meta. That's a very good profit for micros. Roz from Kenya has really been trading well with us since she started almost a year ago, and Roz has been doing great. $757 in profits trading Meta in Kenya. That's outrageously fantastic. I can't believe it. I'd love to go visit her. Thanks, Roz, for sending the screenshot. A fantastic trading day in the room. Almost every single person who traded Meta made good, serious money. Here's our big trade again. It was so exciting to make $1,600 on a trade. It felt great. It validated our setup. Years of studying to come up with these setups so that everybody can make money. $1,600. Great, great trade. Our week was just going fantastic. The next day in the room, we had Google, Microsoft, Intel, all at the same time, and I determined it would be incredibly difficult to trade. But we came up with a setup to try to grab the first earnings trade, whichever company came out first. The research told us it would be Microsoft, and sure enough, 35 seconds after 4 p.m., Microsoft earnings come out. The orders shoot up, and we were profitable over $300 on that trade. Then IBM and Google were going to come out, and Google was next, and it was pretty amazing. Their earnings exploded to the upside. Here they come. There's the earnings. You could see it, and the NQ kept going up and up and up. Intel went up to the upside as well. And then we were also waiting for Snap at 410. That was like 8 minutes after these earnings. But look at the move that was created by Google, Microsoft, and Intel. It was over 200 ticks. A lot of people made serious money, and it was a great trading day. Another one. Again, it's the studying, the research that helps us set up these trades. Find it. Give our members our methodology and go from there. Great day trading earnings again. Google, Microsoft, Intel, and Snap. One of my favorite parts of making these videos is when a member sends me his video. Larry from Canada was trading the NQ on Google, Microsoft, and Intel. He already had $2,600 in profit on the day. And then he came into the trade room, recorded his video, and watch what happens. There's his orders on his chart. And when Larry's trade was done, remember the orders were only on a chart for a couple of seconds, and then Microsoft came out with their earnings first. You're going to watch the price blow through his orders. There it is, exploding again. Love when the price explodes, and Larry had over $800 in profit. Another great member trade. Members trade of the week is more than one trade. And a final earnings screen. Google, Microsoft, Intel, one of our members made $951 in profits. I'm telling you folks, you got to get into the trade room, especially for the big tech earnings. They have been treating us well for a very long time. The week was finishing up with what I thought might be another difficult report to trade. The PCE price index, a very, very important inflation report. I was concerned that it could go wrong because it's been an inconsistent report to trade. I did a lot of testing, and I determined we would not do our traditional trap trade, but we would trade a breakout, and I recommended bond. Now, every person that traded bonds, as we did here, had a great breakout trade. All the instruments in the markets exploded. Bonds went to the upside, hit our first target, pulled back a little bit. We trailed our stop, again, over $300. Another great winning trade. Almost again, every single person in the trade room made money. I was really excited to get the first profit screen we ever got from Mark H. Over $421.88 in profit, trading the PCE price index. Here come some more charts from folks. Sal made $218.75 on the PCE price index report. Roz made $132, and my favorite is a video that Doc sent, and everybody that watches us has seen Doc's videos. Doc was trading in his Apex account. He sent a lot of winning trades, trading the news, trading events. Watch his trade. His orders are going to go on the chart in just a couple of seconds. There's the orders. Price is going to burst to the upside. Trading gold, PCE price index, an excellent over $500 trade for Doc in Florida. Thanks everybody. It was a fabulous week at 10-minute trades. Members made money. We made over $2,000 in profits when the whole week was said and done. Of course, not every trade is a winner. We're not going to show the losers in our weekly videos. Everybody knows that we are fully transparent. You come into our trade room, you see exactly what we do. You see the good with the bad, and it's mostly good. We have a great method for trading events. We have a fantastic system for trading earnings, and we love teaching you how to do it. We want to teach you and show you the great system we have. So come on in to the trade room, read the email, take our offer, and join with us. We would love for you to see us in the trade room together, learning this system next week on the inside. Hope you're all having a great weekend. Hope you enjoyed this video, watching people make money. You can do it too. You don't have to be left behind. Leigh Goldstein for 10-minute trades. I'll see you in the trade room.